Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Xiaomi device to DOOGEE S100. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, you need to set it up. Firstly, click on I agree and I acknowledge at the top in both apps. Then select Confirm at the bottom. Click on Continue. And finally, Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi. When you're ready, click on Receive right next to Send at the bottom of DOOGEE. Now, using all of those categories at the top of Xiaomi device, you can pick all of your files that you wish to transfer. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times. When you've done, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on S100. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you wish to input this key, click on Input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, as you can see, sorry a typo, finally, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!